Hi, I'm Eric Grant from Eyelet. In this video, we're going to show you how the HandyPress works with punching the holes for the twist lock fastener or common sense fastener. It replaces the common technique of using a mallet and a hole punch. This still works, but this will speed up production and it's so much easier. Watch this video and see how it works.
There are many reasons the HandyPress may just be the world's best bench mount hand press, but the main one is this: there's one press for all the dies, no matter the brand. If it was made for a hand press, chances are it will work in the HandyPress. The HandyPress twist lock eyelet hole cutter is designed to cut the oval and the 4 slots for the legs. To use it, slide on the workbench, then place the cutting board on top of it. Remove the thumb screw from its keeper. Insert the thumb screw in not the lower hole on the upper shaft, but the upper hole. Do not tighten it all the way in. Next, insert the twist lock eyelet hole cutter into the upper shaft and push it all the way up. Now tighten down the thumb screw. The next task is to set the sweet compression. Depress the lever of the HandyPress. Your goal is to have the lever of the HandyPress be 10 degrees down from horizontal, which is the lowest it will travel down, and at that position the cutter's blade be slightly buried into the cutting board surface. To achieve that task, raise or lower the upper shaft by rotating it to the left or the right until that goal is achieved. That is the sweet compression, much like a pair of vice grips work. This is just about perfect. The lever is slightly down and the teeth are slightly buried in the cutting board. Next, we need to make sure that our hole is parallel to the edge of the fabric's trim to edge. That can be done by releasing the thumb screw and rotating the die so that the set screw is facing forward, or instead rotating the shaft to the left or the right slightly. You will also notice 2 score lines on the right and left, which will help you to orientate your hole cutter. The workbench can be slid fore and aft and set in a specific position, and you can use the back fence to slide your fabric assembly up against it so you can place the hole in the perfect spot every time in your hem. Depress the lever of the HandyPress and your hole and the 4 slots for the legs of the twist lock fastener are easily punched through this 3-layer assembly of Sattler marine grade fabric. And the twist lock eyelet fits beautifully. Okay, I know some of you are saying 3 layers, oh, that's nothing. Let's do 6 layers of Sattler marine grade fabric. So depress the lever and look how easy it is. Went right through beautifully. Let's get a close-up of that. An optional accessory that you may want to consider is the HandyPress ruler. It has inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. It can be attached on the left or right side of the workbench. And now you can punch holes from 0 inches up to 12 inches away with total accuracy. So we punched a hole here, and then we just move our fabric assembly to whatever we'd like up to 12 inches. So as you can see, the HandyPress and the HandyPress twist lock eyelet hole cutter will make hole cutting easy and speed up production. Get yours today from Eyelet.